What's up guys, it's Non-Tuxic, your non-toxic Linux YouTuber, back again for another video, and today I'm going to be reviewing LMMS software, which is for audio producing. Stay tuned.
There are over 1,000 distributions.
I was 21 years old and I had basically programming half my life.
So to start things off, I'm just going to quickly breeze through the menu and show you some of a small project that I've made using LMMS. So as you can see here, you can create a new project, you open existing project, you can save your project and many other things to do with your files. And then underneath here there are some buttons to do with the editors for making music, which I can get into a little more later. As you can see up top here, just a standard bar for file, edit, view, tools and help. And then down the side here we have some tools which enable us to make music, some making it from scratch, but also others that are pre-made for you that you can implement without having to make it yourself. And you can also navigate your files through this system. So to start off, I'm just going to show you my project. So it's just a basic project that I made. I used the Mallet's instrument plugin, the audiophile processor, the kicker over here, and the triple oscillator over there. So as you can see here, it's got the piano up so you can find exactly what tune you want. And that's also just a really helpful thing for knowing exactly what tune you want. Once you add in a new block, you can make it however much big or small you want, high or low, which is also super helpful. One in particular that I found quite interesting was the oscillator pack. If you double click through here, go on to this section, you can see here there's just a little wave, and that just allows the sound to oscillate up and down. Mainly in volume, and you can change the speed of that as slow or fast as you want. Just to show you guys a bit of what's possible through LMMS, here's a track that's been made by someone that I pulled off of the LMMS website. As you can see over here, there are two tracks. This particular one, Excalibur, So why should you use LMMS anyway? Why not just get a Mac and use their software or use Windows instead? For Linux users, it all comes down to software being open source, meaning that you know what went behind it and how it was made. You can edit and work on the code yourself if you're a developer. It also means clarity when it comes to security and ethics behind what the software are doing with your personal data that is stored with their software.